If you want to learn how to draw graffiti wild style, this video is for you. Stage 1. Let's get into it. Before you start drawing wild style graffiti letters, begin with the basics. Draw a top line, middle line, and a bottom line lightly. These lines will guide the flow of your letters. What's up YouTube and graffiti artists? My name is Louis Ling Chong and welcome to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like, share, comment, and subscribe. The name I will be drawing today is Noah, spelled Noah, and I will be using the wire-based markers to create this piece. Go online and pick a basic font you like. That font will be the foundation of your wild style letters. During this tutorial, I will be talking while some music plays into the background. Stage 2. Now that I have my basic letter font, this becomes the foundation of the piece. Remember, don't jump into stylizing right away. Start simple, build the structure first. Then I begin adding style and bending, twisting, and connecting the letters together. I keep a little bit of the original font, but I stylize gradually. Now I start adding the extensions, arrows, bits, and pieces to the letters. You will notice I add extensions next to the N and H to keep the piece balanced. Keep everything tight and look for a negative space between the letters. That's where you add your extra bits and details. Still draw lightly at this stage. Stage 4. To get a 3D block letter look, I use a classic art technique called perspective drawing. I place a vanishing point on the upper right side of the paper. Using a ruler, I line it up with the vanishing point and pull lines down from the corners of each letter. This gives the piece a bird's eye view 3D effect. The thickness of the block letters is your choice. Let me see. If you want to learn more about perspective, check out videos on 1 point, 2 point, 3 point perspective here on YouTube. Stage 5. Inking. When I am satisfied with the sketch, I outline the whole piece with a fine point pen. Sometimes I ink after pressing harder with a pencil than erase. The grooves help guide the pen. Other times I like to, in this video, I keep the pencil lines light and ink directly over them. After the inking, I clean everything up with an eraser. Inside the letters, I go thick to thin with the line work. For the outer letter shape, I use a brush pen and to give it more strong and more bold outline. To learn more pen and ink techniques, check out the videos on pen and ink and comic book inking. They are great resources. Stage 6, additional element. You will notice I start drawing a bottle. I won't spend too much time on it, but the subject I choose is still life. A still life is an art, is a work that depicts and animates objects, flowers, fruit, and household items, whether natural or man-made. I will come back to the bottle later. Let's jump into the color. Stage 7, coloring. I begin coloring with the water-based markers. A color scheme in art is a group of colors used together to create a unified look or mood. I look at the color wheel and choose the analogous color scheme or colors that sit next to each other on the color wheel. For the letters, I choose cool colors blue, green, and purple. I use lighter versions of the base and the darker versions of the depth, a monochromatic approach using different tints and shades of each color. For the background, I switch to warm colors, yellow, orange, and red. Warm colors come forward and cool colors recede, but in this piece I reverse that for an artistic choice. For the bottle, I also use warm colors. Inside the bottle, I use pen and ink technique called stippling, poking dots for texture. Music will be playing while I finish coloring the piece. Don't go away, I have more to say. So this is the piece. If you want me to draw your name in graffiti style, check out my description box below, or check out my Etsy account or my website for more info. And tell me what you think. No, this is Noah, N-O-A-H. Right? So give it a like if you like it, thumbs up. Share the video with your friends, make a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel. My name is Louis Ting Chang. Thank you for watching.